Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is lesson 173. The title of today's lesson is Common Funny Expressions About Snoring. Yeah, you often may hear some people say something funny about the way somebody snores. So these are some of the most common ones you might hear. Let's look at the first one. His snoring is like sawing wood. You know, like when you have a saw, the tool, like zzz, 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 like that. So I don't know what's the snoring. Like, no, that's not yet. Zzz, I don't know, maybe something like that. Yeah, he snored up a storm. All right, this one will probably have a lot of whistling to it. It would probably be like that. Something like that. So it's another way. We say they snored up a storm. We use a lot about animals. So you could say somebody snored like a horse, like a pig, like a hog, like a lion, like a bullfrog, like a billy goat, or bull moose. Probably the first three or four would be the more common ones. If you say snore like a horse, a horse sometimes they make a sound where the cheek goes like so maybe a something like that. That would probably be, imitating somebody snoring like a horse. A pig would be an easy one because actually a lot of snoring really does sound like a pig snorts or grunts, like, like kind of like that. So those sounds like pig snorts. A hog, of course, is a type of pig, so that's almost the same thing. Lion, I don't know. Maybe are they having a little bit of a loud sort of kind of a roar in it? Maybe if you're snoring like a lion, like uh, I don't know. Maybe something like that. I don't know. But anyway, these are funny ones that we use. So we do use it about a lot of animals. His snoring raised the roof. All right, you can use your imagination for this one, meaning his snoring was so loud, almost like the roof was going off, levitating or lifting off the house. I like this one a lot. His snoring could wake the dead. I always thought this was funny. Meaning you're snoring so much that you could actually wake people up that are dead. They could come back to life because your snoring is so loud. Okay. His snoring made a hell of a racket last night. Yeah, I hear this one a lot. Well, to make a racket itself is a phrase that means to make a lot of noise. If you say hell of a, that's a combination of three words, hell, of, and So you put the three together, it's hell of a. It's not really proper English. It goes like wanna and gonna, where, wanna means want to, gonna means going to. So this is hell of a. Hell, and then of, of, and then with it. Hell of a racket last night. All right, number seven, his snoring. He was snoring like mad. Yeah, a while back I did an idiom like somebody does something like crazy, with a lot of enthusiasm and a lot of emotion. So it's the same sort of thing if you're snoring like mad, with a lot of, in this case, it's more like with a lot of activity. So almost like crazy. He was snoring like crazy, or he was snoring like mad. Same idea. He was snoring like the Dickens. A little bit older, a little bit of an old use, but I did hear it a lot. I think it might be a little more common in the southern U.S. too. But yeah, I did hear it a lot. It is common. His snoring could wake the devil. Similar idea to wake the dead, but you're waking the devil instead of like dead people. He snores like a locomotive. Locomotive, of course, especially the old traditional train. It used to make a lot of a lot of boom, 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 sort of a noise. So I don't know. You have some sort of snoring like that. I don't know. I don't think I can do that one. But anyway, it's good. I hope you enjoyed them though. They're all kind of interesting. They're kind of funny. Hope you found it informative. Thank you for your